Hello guys, so if you're looking to delete your personal information or delete your account entirely from Ring application, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, what you would do is just simply open the Ring application. Then after that, click on the three lines at the top right, then click on Account Center. Now after that, just simply scroll down and now after that, click on Manage Your Data. Again, scroll down. And now over here, if you want to download your personal data, you can just simply click on request data. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete that. So just simply click on delete data. Now it will do a simple verification if it's the real you or not. So enter your ID and password. And after entering your password, just simply press continue. And then it will send a verification code to the phone number that is linked with your account. So wait for the verification process to complete. And after you have entered the code, just simply click on verify code. And in the end, all you have to do is just simply click on confirm deletion. So after doing that, you will find that over there where it was written delete data, over there it is now written pending. So it will take up to 30 days to delete your complete data from their servers. So after 30 days, your data will be completely deleted. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.